In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and run a successful affiliate program for your e-commerce business. First, let's remind ourselves what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing lets an online retailer increase sales by allowing others which target the same audience to earn commission by recommending their products. This is explained on this diagram. You create a relationship with an affiliate. The affiliate advertises your products. Their visitors will click on links, which takes them through to your website. They may purchase these products from your website, at which point then you pay commission to the affiliate. You benefit from getting more sales. The affiliate benefits from getting a commission. A classic example of an affiliate is a cashback site. Cashback sites join affiliate schemes, and then when a customer goes to the cashback site and purchases from one of their affiliates, the cashback site will give all the commission they get back to the customer. So, for example, if we go to eBay, eBay gives 1% cashback for people who purchase through the top cashback site. So if I was to click on this button, I go to the eBay site. If I then make a purchase, having gone to no other sites, I will get that 1% commission appearing in my top cashback account. So how do you start an affiliate program? A good place to start is by analysing the competition. Look at your competitors and see what they're doing in terms of the commission they're paying, the promotions they're running, and what other affiliates they're working with. For example, if we return to top cashback, if, for example, we're an electrical retailer, if we go to categories electrical, and let's say we're into PCs, we can see down here the kind of deals that people are offering. So, for example, Currys are offering 16.5% cashback on certain products. And also Samsung are offering 15% cashback. Let's just dig in and see what they do a little bit more. You can see here they've got a different commission structure based on the products that people buy. So if you were to buy a QLED TV, they give 15%. But if we go a bit down here, if you buy an accessory, then you only get 3%. So you can vary the amount of commission you pay based on how much you want to promote something and what your margin is. Secondly, you need to decide the goal for your scheme. Setting clear goals for a program will help you identify the affiliates you wish to recruit. An affiliate marketing program should consist of a balanced mix of affiliate partners. Think about whether it's a long-term or a short-term goal you've got. If your campaign's goal is short-term, for example, launching a new product or promoting a sale, it might be best to create a high incentive campaign that will attract many affiliates and drive traffic fast. On the other hand, if your goal is longer term, such as launching into a fresh territory or expanding your customer base, you'll need to partner with sites to which shoppers continually return. Who's your target customer? Think about where your target customer shops. For example, what sites they read, which emails they subscribe to, and then select the affiliates that specialize in your business area to attract these customers. Finally, what is your goal? What is the purpose of your program? Are you trying to boost revenue? Do you want newsletter subscribers, for example? And think about how much you're willing to spend to acquire a customer. So common goals, for example, could be to increase sales volume by 5% or to increase the average sales order by £20. Next, you need to join an affiliate network. Many different affiliate networks are available, and the same publisher sites may well be on several affiliate networks. Consider the following in selecting a network. Their fees and arrangements. Some networks will want to charge a monthly fee, while others will be free. Also, I'm always wary of entering into long-term contracts. A 30-day notice period is usually plenty. You want to join a network that has lots of relevant publishers. Publishers with an established affiliate business are likely to work with specific affiliate networks and may be reluctant to join the network that you want to work with. So check the publishers on the network before you join. You also want to avoid networks that have lots of publishers you don't want to work with. So, for example, one that has lots of tobacco companies or gambling companies if you don't want to appear on those kinds of sites. Look at the kind of reporting available. Is it got the quality you need? Can you drill down to see where your sales are? And finally, support. What kind of support do they give? How quickly will they get back to you if you've got any queries? An example of affiliate network is Awin. If we click on this Explore Awin's plans, we can see the cost. So down here, they've got a different level. So the entry level is Awin Access. So they charge £90 plus VAT per month and a 3.5% tracking fee. So the 3.5% tracking fee is 3.5% above the fee that you pay to the affiliate. As your affiliate scheme becomes more successful, you may wish to go for a more advanced package, which will have more support and also more features. If I just log into this scheme, we can get an idea of the kind of facilities it provides. Now, if we go to publishers, we can see a list of the publishers they have. So we can do partner discovery. We can do a search for partners. Say we're in baby products, and so we do a search for baby. We can see a list of the affiliates in that area, and we can then approach those people and ask them if they want to join our affiliate scheme. It's very important to understand the performance of your affiliate scheme. So with A, when you have a dashboard which shows you number of clicks, number of transactions, and the sale value just from the main screen. And if you want to find out more, you can go into the Reports tab, and it has a list of reports. So for example, we have got a publisher report. That shows us the traffic and the revenue from each publisher. When we've got a transaction report, that shows the transactions in a particular timescale and the amount of commission that was paid. Now, the heart of any affiliate scheme is the commission that you offer to your affiliates. So that within Awin, that's set under Toolbox and then My Offers. And down here, you will set up your offers. So this company here, for example, is offering 10% off all daily living aids. And then they've also got 15% of all blue badge holders. And so they can create a number of different programs for the different customer groups that they have. So how do you grow the amount of sales you get from your affiliate scheme? Firstly, you need to communicate frequently with your publishers. You need to send them frequent offers to keep yourself in front of mind. Within Awin, this is done under Toolbox and then Communication Center. And from here, you can create a message which will be automatically sent out to your selected affiliates. So, for example, if you're launching new products or you've got a new offer or you've got a big change to your business, you can send them out a communication and that'll give them new content that they can publish on their site and hopefully attract more people to buy your products. Next, recruit more affiliates. Check your affiliate network regularly to see if any new affiliates have joined and then you can invite them to your program. Another thing you should spend time on is your collaterals. By this, I mean the banners and the links and things that you give to your affiliates to enable them to link to your site. Here's an example of a VPN company, and these are within their affiliate schemes, they would create these adverts of different sizes that websites can put on their sites where people can click and go through to the website. If we return to Awin, under Toolbox and then My Creative, you can see the collaterals that have been uploaded. If a customer makes a purchase and then cancels that order or they send it back, you need to cancel that order in your affiliate network to make sure that you don't cover a commission on an order that was sent back. This can actually add up to quite a lot of money over a long period of time. Finally, you need to review the affiliate methods that you have allowed on your account. Affiliates will drive traffic via a number of ways. One could be links on their website, another could be apps, and another could be pay-per-click. So if you're running your own pay-per-click campaigns, you probably don't want to have affiliates running pay-per-click campaigns as well, because effectively you'd be competing against yourself. Finally, you need to monitor your performance. There's a number of things you need to look at. You should look at the traffic you get from your affiliates, the revenue you get from those affiliates, and also from within your affiliate network, look at your percentage of active affiliates. So the number of affiliates that have driven traffic to you in the last month. We can see traffic and revenue from within Google Analytics. From within Google Analytics, if we go to acquisition and then user acquisition, we'll be able to see the traffic from the different channels. So down here, we've got affiliates. We can see the number of purchases and also the revenue from the affiliate channel.